What's up, everybody? It's your friend here, Ricky J. Alvarez, Ricky the Realtor with Alvarez & Associates at Boulevard Real Estate. And once again, I want to thank you guys so much for joining us, for tuning in, for supporting us, and overall just watching our videos. We appreciate every one of you. We're out here enjoying this beautiful day. You hear the birds chirping right outside of our office here in Walnut Creek. And today we're going to be talking about a little bit more about buyer misconceptions and one thing in particular. So today is Raw and Uncut Real Estate. Well, this is Raw and Uncut Real Estate episode number 40, but today we're going to be actually talking about gift funds, you guys. So one of the main buyer misconceptions is that you need 20% down, you need perfect credit, you need this, you need that. Our parents tell us, grandparents tell us this. Everybody we encounter tells us these things because that's what they were used to, right? But not the case, you guys. What you really want to do is talk to a real estate agent like myself. We're always happy to help you. We'll put you in touch with not a real estate agent, but we'll put you in touch with a lender, who's going to go ahead and go through the step-by-step process with you to ensure that you know everything that's available to you. You know how much money you need, what types of loans are out there, you know exactly what your credit is, you know your debt to income ratios, and more than anything that you're able to provide all the statements needed so you get an accurate pre-approval and you know exactly what you can afford. So I will tell you guys this, that you do not need 20% down, guys. You can do as little as 3.5% down. But here's the thing, everyone thinks they need all this money in the bank. If you have some awesome parents, grandparents, brothers, spouse, some folks that you may want to call a favorite on, those folks can help you. So what you want to do is talk to your lender, let them know that you have someone that can give you some gift funds, and ultimately that will help you propel you into putting more down payment, getting a little bit maybe of a better rate. It all depends, but you definitely want to talk to your lender about this. I'm not a lender, that's why I'll put you in touch with a great one that can go over these things with you. But I will tell you guys, you do not need 20%. You can get some gift funds. They have to come from a relative or a spouse, and ultimately that money needs to be seasoned, which means it needs to be in the bank consecutively for about 60 days. So it needs to be in the bank season, so it can't just be deposited tomorrow. So definitely want to talk to a lender. First, call Ricky the Realtor. We'll take care of you, put you in touch with that amazing lender, and we'll get you on your way to buying your home and achieving home ownership. So thank you once again, everybody. This was a little short video just to let you know about a buyer misconception about down payment and gift funds. And ultimately, we're always here to help you. If there's anything ever we can do, whether we're working with you or not, just want to give you some more information, give you a little bit of tools, and just give you a little bit of more insight into the market so you can make a better educated decision. So once again, thank you guys. A pleasure talking to you. Ricky J. Alvarez, Ricky the Realtor here with Alvarez & Associates at Boulevard Real Estate. Hope you have a great one and talk to you very soon.